I'm going to teach you exactly how to make a budget as a CRNA. Keep watching. My name is Christine and welcome to a new video. If you're new here and you want to become a CRNA or grow your CRNA career, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss a thing. So in this video, I'm going to tell you and teach you some tricks and tips how to build a budget, especially being a new CRNA or an experienced CRNA. Especially coming out of school, we make a very high salary, and sometimes we get caught up in that salary. We either spend too much and don't save. So this tips that I'm going to give you in regards to how to budget and how to make a budget for yourself will definitely help you for your future. All right, so this is a 5-step process on how to build a budget, and I'll also give some really cool techniques and advice as RNA. All right, guys, let's get right into it. Let's go through a basic budget. I created this for you guys for this video, and I want it to be as thorough as well as precise in this video. So when you think about it, this budget, try to stick to it as much as possible. Every month it might vary, every year it might vary. So you may want to update it depending on what you're going to use. Depends on you. You may want to write this with a pen and paper. You may want to use a spreadsheet, which is what we're using right now is Google Spreadsheet, which is free. Or you may want to use an app. Whatever you feel is comfortable and works best for you, it's fine. As long as you find a way to keep track of it. So when you think about your budget, the first thing you want to think about is what is your income? How much are you making per year? Or as well as what is your income for? Do you get paid once a month? Do you get paid twice a month? So what I recommend doing is some people like doing a bi-weekly budget, but I like doing a monthly budget. I think it works best for me. I like knowing how much I make per month, and then I make sure I set my goals, and I look at my fixed expenses versus my variable expenses, and I prioritize them, which is important. And you always want to follow and look at it every single month and see maybe you've met your goals this month, maybe you're under your budget, or if has anything changed. So some example of things that you want to put in your budget. This is a rough list. You may want to be more detailed or you may not, or be less detailed. It all depends on you. You want to put your rent or your mortgage. If you have a pet, retirement, health insurance, cell phone, internet, food, car payments, car gas, car insurance, utilities. If you have anything that is miscellaneous or something that's fun that you like doing once per month that you just need that for yourself, that's definitely an option. Student loans or any type of debt you have, you definitely want to keep track of that, how you're paying it off per month. So even though you may think, all right, what are my fixed expenses? So your rent, your mortgage are going to be fixed. Every month you'll be paying that same amount every single month. So that's an example of fixed expense. It could be your internet, your car payment, your car insurance. Some variable expenses can be your utilities, your car gas, your cell phone. I always recommend having a savings or emergency fund. I'm just giving an example of $200, but same example, you don't have that. You can't save that much. Maybe you may save $50 a month, and that might work best for you. But for here right now, we're going to say $200 a month. So think about it. You may think, oh, $200 a month, that's not really that much money. However, if you think about that annually, that's $2,400 that you have in savings for a rough patch or something important at the end of the day that you may need to use for. So this is a rough example of a budget. So definitely look at your monthly allowance and definitely put everything into number format and see if you're meeting that. So same example, you have a total amount of spending is $3,100, but you have $4,000 is your income. You're at least your net positive, at least $900 or $800, and that money can be used for something important. So definitely I recommend plan, have some discipline, and prioritize yourself. Make sure you set a goal, know your income, definitely distinguish between what's your fixed expenses versus your variable expenses. Definitely rank it from importance, most important to least important, because some things are a need versus a want, and definitely know what those are, because same example, there's something that you may need more money for. You may want to rank those things in different orders. always follow it monthly, because sometimes you may have a budget that's your minimum and it might go over it or you may go under it. So you definitely want to keep track of it. And depending on what you're comfortable with, maybe pen and paper, spreadsheets and apps, but definitely try to keep track of it in one place so you can follow it throughout the year. And I hope this was very helpful for you. If you want to learn more about CRNAs, definitely subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss a thing. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it helped you. Also, if you want to learn more about CRNAs, click one of these videos over here, and I'll see you in the next video.